What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Pat. And ngayon, we're back for some more NBA topics. Ang daming naghihingi ng mga NBA-related storylines. So, we prepared three for you guys today. At una namin pag-uusapan yung the San Antonio Spurs and Victor Wembanyama. So, currently, right now, the Spurs defense is leading the NBA. They are number one in opponents' points per game. Allowed, 105 lang
Yep.
per game. 40% opponent field goal percentage. Second, number one in blocks, 8 with Wemby 70% sa kanya,
I
lahat
think
ng
Wemby is
blocks.
4.8 blocks per game.
So more than it's 60%.
Uh-huh.
60% ng blocks ng Spurs and 51.3 rebounds per game. And San Antonio in just four games pa lang, sinasabi ko four games para clear naman na early on, they have the best defense in the league. And I feel like, Pat, it's something na sustainable. It's not a fluke that they're number one in the league pagdating sa defense. Ikaw, sa tingin mo, or do you think that this is gonna go down eventually to like maybe top 5, top 10? Or do you think they're a consistent na top 3?
I think sustainable siya. Kasi
Mm-mm.
all of these, no, yung itong phenomenon ng SAS nangyayari, wala pa si
Mm-mm.
De'Aaron Fox.
Tama.
So, I think when they got De'Aaron Fox, I think the management said na this is the point guard that will lead San Antonio. So, imagine a steady, 'di ba, point guard in
Mm.
De'Aaron Fox. And Wemby and the other talent that they have. Kumbaga, I think what we said no nung start ng podcast natin, tapos na sila sa the process eh. Eto na 'yon,
Mm.
'di ba? So ito nga yung nakikita natin, nagulat tayo. Sobrang 4-0 tapos yeah, I think sustainable siya. If ever magbumabayan so siguro tama ka doon, top 3, top 2 or top 3.
Pero basta, well, it's still top 3 defense, diba? It's not like you're bad if you drop from 1 to 3.
Yeah, oo, oo. Mababa, for me, bababa lang yan kung ma-injure si Wembanyama.
Actually, yun yung problema naman kay Wemby, di ba?
Alam
It's
mo, pag
always
nakikita ko
been,
siya, di ba
oo.
ang nipis niya, parang mabagsakan lang yung paa niya ng konti. Feeling ko mababali eh. Mababaklas eh. But
Or a
yeah,
player that just falls to his knees. Yung
yeah.
dive for the loose ball, tapos doon yung legs niya.
Yung nangyari kay Baklaan,
Oh, yung nangyari kay
pag
Kian Baclan.
mangyari sa kanya yon, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa legs niya eh. Or kung ano man yung mabagsakan. But provided na hindi siya ma-injure or San Antonio remains healthy, wow.
Di- Uh, real or not, real yung nakikita mo from San Antonio right now, they look like a legit playoff dark horse to win it all. Or, ano to, they are just a pang first round kind of team for now.
I think it's real. I think it's
Mm.
real. I'm not being high on them. It's just that what I'm watching right now, you have a 7'5" guy who moves like a guard and his supporting cast. Imagine, again, wala pa si De'Aaron Fox. Um, the shooters around Wemby, the big supporting, even Luke Cornett. I think he was like 12-14 or 14-12 nung isang game bago siya na injure or na
Mm.
sideline. But yeah, then again, if they remain healthy, kaya bro. Kaya. Parang if matatalo sila sa deep part na ng playoffs, for me kaya.
Kaya. Ako, eto, medyo controversial tong question na to. Are we in favor of moving the Aaron Fox? Are we in favor of trading the Aaron Fox? Let's go all youth movement, or that's not the right decision right now? Do you feel like kailangan pa rin ng veteran point guard like the Aaron Fox at the peak of his career?
Yeah.
Pero do you want na, sige, bigyan na natin yung keys to Stephon Castle, to Dylan Harper, or that's gonna be detrimental to their growth? Medyo alanganin eh.
I
Medyo,
I think
it's a slippery slope na conversation.
I
Not
think you need a vet. You will always need a vet. But you have a vet in the Aaron Fox at 27 years old. So youth movement pa rin yan.
Oo.
For me, ah. For
So
me, ah.
keep,
So
you won't trade him.
I won't trade him.
Mm.
Kasi 'di ba pagka end game na, you need that point guard na kakalma or magli-lead ng team pagka yung mga crucial times of the game, crucial moments, mga clutch, di ba?
Mm.
So, I'm not saying siya yung huling titira or anything, but someone
Sa kanya
who will
binigay yun,
lead,
no?
di ba? So, yeah. But yeah, I think it's gonna be crucial sa youth movement nila. Yun nga lang, actually nagtaka ako bakit nila kinuha si Harper eh. Kasi si Harper and Castle point guard right now eh, 'di ba? So tatlo na sila.
Yeah, actually.
So
Pero si
possible may
Castle
movement
naman,
na.
two guard. Two guard naman rin si
Nagpo-point
Castle.
lang siya right now.
Oo. Ano siya?
Ah.
Like secondary playmaker.
So pero look Castle, Vazel, Harper, Fox. Baka si Harper, baka mabawasan siya ng minutes diyan. 'Di ba? But anyway, yeah, wait and see tayo. I think Fox will be back in a week or two.
Okay. Next, yun yung at least for the San Antonio Spurs, no? Ano ba bang anything with the Spurs right now? Well, Wemby, I feel like yung thumbnail kasi natin, si Wemby nakalagay face of the NBA question mark. Kasi yung stats niya right now is 31
21
points,
points.
13.8 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 1.5 steals, 4.8 blocks, shooting 60% from the field, 35% from three. Ano pa ba, free throws niya 80% din. Naghahanap ka ng butas, 'di ba? Naghahanap ka ng
Ayan.
ano bang flaw ng ni Wemby?
Ano
And it's
yan?
it's just his injury concerns. Yun na yung pinaka-flaw niya.
Doon lang ako natatakot sa injury niya. I mean, possible na ma-injure siya. Kasi if you remember, yung parang Victor Wembanyama before was Kristaps Porzingis. 'Di ba? He
Mm,
was like ano rin, 'di ba nga what was he called? The unicorn. Parang for me,
mm.
Wemby is a better version of Kristaps obviously. Pero
Oh, malayo. Sobrang
pero
layo. Huwag
yeah,
natin compare
pero
si
pero
Wemby kay Kristaps.
in terms of body, injuries derailed KP eh, 'di ba? So, yun lang ang feeling kong ano niya, chink in the armor ni Wemby if ma-injure siya. Kasi
Lahat naman. I think yun, yeah.
I heard before, 'di ba remember nung napilay si KP, ang tagal ng
Mm,
recovery niya. Kasi daw yung body niya was not meant to move like that. He was
mm.
also try, 'di ba? He was also moving like a guard, 'di ba? He was running, he was dribbling, 'di ba? So, ganun si Wemby right? Kita mo yung mga highlights niya, nagbe-behind the back siya, tapos mag-spin move siya, parang 7'5" na Kyrie eh.
Actually, 7'5" na ano, KD.
Yeah, oo. Oo, pwede pa. Pwede. Imagine, no? Laki na ng mga tao right now. But anyway, yeah, going back, I think it's only the possibility of getting injured that can stop Wemby.
Okay. Let's now move on to our next topic, which is the matagal mo nang pinopropose sa akin to, which is the
Yeah.
way too early individual awards prediction, which is the awards of the NBA for the 2025-2026 season. Something na what we have seen from the preseason, and ito sa first four games sa NBA dahil fans also want that, no? So let's first start. Ano gusto mo? From the lowest? Ihuli natin MVP. Or
Sige.
MVP muna kasi sure thing naman eh. Sabay tayo in 1, 2, 3. Pagka 3, we'll blurt out. MVP muna in 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Wemby.
Wemby.
Wemby ka.
Wemby
Wemby
rin
ka
ako.
rin.
Pero to start the year, I was Jokic.
Okay. To start
I
the year,
was
you were Jokic.
Kasi di ba we play fantasy, so nababantayan natin yung mga
Lahat.
stats, right? So,
Mm-mm.
um, sabi ko nga, more rest na for Jokic with the arrival of Jonas.
Mm-mm.
So I think that would relate to that will make him more efficient. Pero grabe parang hindi ko alam ano nangyayari sa NBA dahil kay Wemby. So I changed my mind.
Okay, yeah, I think unanimous naman ata tayo doon. And bearing any season we're in, if the Spurs don't make the playoffs, I don't think he becomes MVP. They just have to make the playoffs, and I feel like it's a lock, no? Can we
Kaya
agree?
not even play in. Basta tuloy-tuloy yung ganyan. Basta tuloy-tuloy yung health nila maganda. Actually yun lang, health nila maganda. Kasi I don't think paano mo ma-check, 'di ba kasi sometimes sinasabi nila mid-season, they will figure things out, yung teams, how to defend, ganyan. Pero parang, paano mo babantayan yun?
Next
Nakita mo si
award, ano?
marunong na siya mag-dream shake.
Oh, nakita ko nga yun. Mga first game niya, papakita yun ng first game, di ba?
Parang magdi-dream shake ka pa, tatayuan mo na lang yan. Pero imagine all of those things in, wow, galing, galing.
Mas ano pa, mas na sumakit pa yung ulo ng mga kalaban. Hindi na
Mismo.
nga nila maabot in the first place.
Di-dream shakean ka pa. Di-dream shakean ka pa.
So
Titirahan ka
manonood ka
pa.
na lang.
Di ba?
Titingnan mo na lang yung trajectory ng bola.
Dasal ka na lang, hindi pumasok. Tapos
Oo
pag
nga,
hindi pumasok,
off
siya rin
game siya.
kukuha. Siya rin
Oo.
kukuha.
Ang haba eh, no? Patatapikin niya lang pataas. Ito siya yung unang makakakuha. Pat, Defensive Player of the Year.
Okay, wait. And now,
3, in 3, 2, 1, Wemby.
Wemby.
Ako. Wemby ka din.
4.8 blocks per game?
And then
Saan ka pa?
1.5 steals.
Saan ka pa? May steals pa siya. So,
Number one defense in the league right now, the Spurs could be top 3 at worst, ah.
yeah. At saka yung 4.8 blocks niya, I don't think he's gonna end there. Kasi di ba muntik siya mag-triple-double nung weekend? 9
Feel mo
blocks.
higher pa? You feel like he could get blocks na higher than 4.8?
Stretch pero possible.
Okay.
Parang
Ito for
freak
sure,
na talaga siya nun.
ito for sure, mag-iiba na tayo. Sixth man of the year. It's gonna be tough.
Wait. Let me think. Give
Oh,
me 1 minute.
sige. Tapos sabihan mo ko pag Gina. You will not guess who my sixth man of the year is.
Shucks. Bakit dalawa?
Isa
O isa lang
lang.
talaga? Isa
Isa
lang.
lang.
Oh my God. Ah,
Walang co-winner. Pang ano yun, pang high school pag supot yung mga co-winner.
sige.
Hmm. Ano, 3 to 1?
Shit. Okay. Six man of the year.
Hmm. Ano, should I start my
Sige, go,
countdown?
go. All right,
Sabay
3 to
tayo
1.
ah. Okay,
Okay.
3, 2, 1. AJ
Nazrid.
Mitchell. Sino sa'yo?
Nazrid.
Nazrid. Okay, makes sense. Akin, AJ Mitchell of the OKC Thunder. You see how that guy is just killing the league right now. It's
Yeah.
been 4 games. It's been 4 games. Again, way too early. May disclaimer naman tayo sa start, diba? This is the way too early prediction for the winners. Nazrid, why?
First
Big
of all, hindi ako
Jelly.
nag-AJ Mitchell because I think he's performing that way dahil wala pa si J. Will.
Okay. Very valid, very valid. Okay.
Yun pa lang. But with J. Will there, tas ganun siya, good pick yun. Me, Nazrid, proven siya na six-man contributor.
Mm-mm.
Tapos nawala na si Alexander Walker. So talagang yung second unit ng Minnesota will really depend on him.
Mm-mm.
And yeah, I think siya for me.
Okay. Um, Ito. Next up natin is most improved. Most improved player of the year. This 2026. Let me know if we are going to start the countdown and then we are going to give our short spiels to why we chose that player.
Okay.
Start na
Sige.
ba ako?
All right. Sige, go.
In 3, 2, 1. Ben Maturin.
Zion.
Zion?
Zion. You know
How
why? You know
so?
why?
Why?
Kasi more games. I think he's gonna be healthy. I think he's gonna be healthy.
Pero, ano
Tignan mo yung
kasi?
first 2 games niya.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, of course. Nakalaban ko yun sa fantasy. I am so pissed, di ba?
Diba?
When players are killing it against
Pero
my
yun nga,
team.
again, if ano to ha, healthy, if healthy, I think they're gonna give it to him. Kasi
He
'di
has
ba,
played 2 games pa
how
lang.
do you get it, 'di
Oo.
ba? Of course, improved in stats lahat, 'di ba? Yun naman yung
Mm-mm.
numbers based tayo, 'di ba? So, logically lang, more games for him if he remains healthy. And I think he's gonna be healthy because he trimmed down. He can do all of those dunks ganyan without putting more pressure on his knees. So and his legs pala, his legs. So I think if he gets more games, yung stats niya tataas. So, yun lang.
Okay. Ako kasi I'm kind of concerned with Zion. He is currently dealing with a bone contusion right now. He's been
Mhm,
out the
mhm.
past 2 games. And I don't know, Pat. He slimmed down, yes, pero the wear and tear of the past seasons might have gotten to his
Yeah,
body. But of course,
25
knock
lang
on
siya.
wood. Yeah, he's
25 lang
25.
siya.
Pero knock on wood, right? I like to see Zion. Diba? I like to see him play. It's great for the NBA.
Mhm.
Considering we are preparing for life after LeBron na. And so far, the league is in good hands, Pat. Na
Oo,
we haven't,
oo.
LeBron has not played. But are we looking for him? 'Di ba? Hindi naman natin siya hinahanap. So I think this is a sign na this is a glimpse that
Mhm.
the NBA can survive post LeBron James era so far.
Yeah, yeah. I think so too.
And you are not the biggest LeBron fan. I know. I know.
No, okay. I appreciate LeBron, but
Okay. Yeah, I'm
ayun
just
lang.
saying that you're not
Okay.
the biggest fan. Yun lang. You
That's
appreciate his presence. You appreciate his contributions to the league, right?
yeah. But yeah, yun nga. Um, Zion. If more games, pwedeng I think luck sa kanya yan.
Okay. Next up.
Ito
Sorry,
na.
nice ko lang yung ano. Rookie of the Year.
Alam
Unanimous.
ko alam ko na yung sagot mo dito eh. Alam ko na yung sagot
Oh,
mo dito.
tinatry
Um,
ko nga kunin kay Juanito eh. Akin na yan.
alam ko yung sagot mo dito pero um
3-1 ah. Sige, isip
sige,
ka lang.
sige.
In 3, 2, 1. VJ
PJ
Edgecomb.
Edgecomb.
Oh, pares ka naman pala eh.
Oh,
Kala ko kontrahin mo ako.
hindi kita ko kontra, hindi ko.
Ah,
Pero um ah
who are your close runner-ups to VJ
for me
Edgecomb?
silang dalawa lang naman talaga ni Cooper Flag.
Cooper's the next one.
Well, it's still the
Sino pa
first
ba?
pick. It's still the first
Yeah,
pick.
Cooper's the
I think mag-a-adjust pa yan. Um Actually, si Edgecomb, ano rin eh, he's performing this way kasi wala pa si PG. Tapos for the past games,
Wala rin McCain. McCain's gonna eat up some
okay,
minutes when he gets back.
Embiid has been playing hurt. So if the big three is at 100% na, I'm sure mawawalan siya ng touches diyan. So pero in terms of what we are seeing now, very early naman tong ano natin eh, 'di ba? It's for me runaway si Edgecomb.
Okay. VJS, di ba ba? Six man of we gave that na. Most improved. Did we give yeah, we did. We did
Yeah.
most improved of the year already. Coach of the year, let's end it with coach of the year.
Okay. Well,
I know who my coach of the year is. I think for me it's easy kasi parang yun yung mga easier na naisip ko agad-agad. Because when we gave our MVP Dipoy, sabi ko, I'm gonna give it to 3-2-1. Mitch
Mitch
Johnson.
Johnson.
Oo.
Kasi if based natin sa jump ng San Antonio doon sa I mean they really are exceeding expectation right now. Yeah. Tapos Wemby's like that, their record is like that, and it's just the second week of the NBA. I think siya.
Okay.
Second
Okay.
ko if you want to
Sino
know.
runner-up mo?
Si Mosley dapat eh, Orlando.
They're not playing well right now.
Ayun na
First
nga
four
eh. Kaya nga
games.
eh. Kaya nga eh. Actually, yung ano natin, if we look at yung, ano natin, if lagyan natin ng first week rundown yung Western and Eastern standing natin, yung mga nilagay natin sa taas, nasa mid sila lahat eh.
The most surprising team for me right now are the Chicago Bulls. This team is undefeated right now
Yeah.
and playing so well. And it's everyone just clicking, diba? It's been
Etong
four
San
games.
Antonio, 'di ba sinabi natin mataas ang ceiling. So hindi imposible itong
Chica.
nangyayari. Nakakagulat lang pero hindi siya imposible.
Yung
Pero
San
yung
Antonio.
Chicago, Yung
Yung
Chicago,
Chicago parang ano yun, no? Really early season candidate lang na okay, they're just starting well. They're gonna
ah,
falter eventually, right?
yep. Nung nakita ko nga yung nangyayari, napatingin ako, sino bang nasa roster nila? Bakit? Wala pa nga si Kobe White eh.
One of the stats here that stand out right now for Chicago is their defense. No, they have been locking down the 3-point line against their opponents. Teams are only shooting 26.3% from three against the Bulls, and teams are limited to 26.7 3-point attempts per game. That's one of that is the lowest in the NBA right now.
That
Is
seems
it
their defense.
sustainable? Is it, hindi. For us, hindi. But we are glad to be proven wrong. We are not analysts. We are just fans of the game. I think we always make that clear, Pat, no, na we are never analysts. We are not former coaches. We are just fans of the game. We are content creators pa nga to begin with. Lalo na si Pat, no, number one content creator.
Wow. Wow.
Something concerning here for the Bulls, Pat, why I don't think this run is sustainable, this winning streak, this great record,
Uh-huh.
is because of their offense. They are number 22 in the
Yep.
league right now. Gets ko yung sa
True.
Spurs, di ba? Top 5 in
Mhm.
both offense and defense. Pero ito yung the offense is the telling sign na one way or another, something has to give. So,
Yeah. Kasi if you look at their last three games,
mm,
aside from what happened sa Orlando, yung Detroit Atlanta close fight lang eh.
mm,
Close fight. So I think good defense lang din talaga. And shots went in for them. Pero yun nga, I don't think it's sustainable. Ito na yung mga part na once the other teams figure them out.
mm.
I'm looking at their roster now. Wala silang firepower eh. Wala silang firepower.
Sucks lang. It's just, ano
Giddy
lang,
is not a scorer. Giddy is not a scorer.
it's a playmaker,
Si
6'8 playmaker.
Yeah. Si Buzelis, pwede. Pero, again, siya lang. Kobe White's gonna be there. I don't know anong magiging effect. Kasi si Buzelis now, mas ball dominant siya right now. Ball dominant din si Kobe White. So, will they work things out in terms of the offense? But, yeah, I agree with you. I don't think their team has enough firepower to sustain this run.
Tama. Lastly, let's end it with this one, no? VJ Edgecombe, is it for real? The backcourt of the future of the Philadelphia 76ers, Tyrese Maxey and VJ Edgecombe. Would you trade Jared McCain? Do you keep him there as to form a three-headed guard lineup? What do we have here with Edgecombe and the Sixers? Another thing, let's end this with this one also. Also for the comments, feel free to join in, no? Trade Embiid and George now while you can still showcase them na they can still play. Si Paul George has not been there yet. Talk about Embiid. But si Paul George, do you get off that contract already? Do you, parang alam mo yung cut your losses na, Pat? Or you see first how you can integrate Paul George into this roster and go for a championship run? Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka with it? Let's first start with, alam ko it's a loaded question. Loaded questions. Let's first start with the
Uh-huh.
Edgecombe and Maxi.
I think I think here to stay yung tatlo.
Who are the three?
Si Baxi, VJ, and
And
then si
McCain.
Jared.
Okay.
Jared could be the sixth man, 'di ba?
Okay.
Um, one and two punch mo na si Maxi and VJ.
BJ.
I think they're preparing for life after PG. I mean, yeah, tama. I think I'll just mirror what you said, no. Either they trade him na or supporting cast na sila. Pero mahal na support. Ang mahal na support,
Very
bro.
expensive. 50
Yeah.
million per year support.
Yun nga. So, but I don't think rin may kukuha sa kanya.
No, you can, I'm sure somebody will still get him, but for dapat palugi ka. The Sixers will have to take on a loss. Diba? You cannot expect to get a haul for a PG. You are expected to lose the trade return if ever there's gonna be a trade na mangyayari.
Pero for me, I don't know. I was just thinking about this.
Mm.
With how they are performing without PG and Embiid 50% na usage.
Naka-minutes restriction si Embiid eh.
Yeah. Baka pwede silang mag-win now din. Ang,
Just go
bro,
all in. 1 year. Kasi di ba? Just go all in with this lineup. Let's not tinker with it. Total, nag-ano naman tayo, nag-summer camp tayo with these dudes. Tara, laban. Let's see. Parang gano'n na
Maxi is
lang.
24. Maxi is 24.
Oh,
VJ is the rookie. Jared McCain
we'll
showed,
come back anytime this month.
diba? He showed what he can do already.
Oo.
Embiid is 31. Whether he
Can't
stays,
believe, no? He moves
yeah,
like
oo
a
nga.
36, 37-year-old
Dami
because
nangyari
all
sa
the
buhay niya
injuries.
eh. Pero,
Dami nangyari
pero,
sa buhay niya, putik.
pero, imagine kung he gets his act together, he can be the big guy for them.
Mm.
Tapos, PG ano ba? PG will play the three. Sila ni Kelly magpapalitan. Kaya eh. Sobrang superstar mode si Maxi right now. I think kaya nila. Pero again, yun nga lang, yung Paul George and Embiid, may ano eh.
May ano,
May kakambal na kamalasan sa injury eh.
lalo na si Paul George. Lalo na si Paul
Paul George,
George.
diba? Kakabalik lang niya last year, hindi man lang tumagal. Diyos ko. Diba?
Panalo
But
pala.
anyway,
Oh,
yeah, I think yon. I think yon. They can be the three-headed monster for the Sixers. Sino to? Si VJ, si Tyrese, and then si Jared.
mm,
Pwedeng sa kanila talaga yung core. And then, if they go for win now ngayon, pwede mag-support na lang din sila Embiid. Kasi they have shown na they can win without the two eh.
mm,
'Di ba? Pero again, hindi pa sila Wemby ang nakakalaban nila. Pero kaya, for me kaya.
kaya. Okay, that's the verdict right now. Kaya.
Hmm.
Kaya tayo right now. Okay. So I think that ends our NBA
Wait, ikaw wala ka
conversation.
pa sinabi?
Ay, ako ano ba? Like doon sa ano?
Yeah.
Okay, ako for me, I'm on the side na kaloda bigay ko na. Ako lang pala nag-set ng question.
Yeah.
For me, keep all. Keep all si McCain, Edgecombe, and Maxi. And unpopular opinion, I'm in the favor of keeping Embiid and Paul George this year. Give it 1 year, 'di ba?
Ano bang contract ni Paul George, if you don't mind?
Two
For
years.
2 years.
Paul
This is
George.
the
2 years, 50 mil.
this is the
50
second
mil.
year.
2 years, 100 mil. Teka lang. Paul George salary.
Is this
So
the second year?
51, checking. Last year lang to nakuha eh, di ba?
Oo.
Alam ko 50 mil per year siya. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Okay, here, Pat. Dude. We're in the second year of a 200 million contract, bro. We're in a second year of a 200 million contract.
How many years?
4.
Hanggang 2028 pa siya.
Oh, bro.
Ang sakit.
Yeah. So,
Tinitingnan ko,
pero
nasasaktan ako.
let's remove that. Let's remove the next 2 years. Just focus on the now. Diba? I'll I'll keep him for this year. Pray to the Lord na
Mhm.
he doesn't get injured. Or if he does get injured, mga minor lang, yung pitik-pitik here and there, play 60 games or 50-55, help me in the playoffs, playoff P,
Yun
and
na nga yung
then
mali sa kanya eh.
isa-shop ko siya agad next year while the value is high. Kasi there are some people
Kumbaga,
na
sell
nagsasabi na cut
high.
na natin
Oo.
losses natin. Dalawang spectrum lang naman yan eh. It's either you sell high or cut your losses. Nandun ka eh. So parang stocks, di
Mm.
ba? Do you wait till the value tanks or you still hope na, di, kaya pa na konti. Squeeze pa tayo. Alam kong patalo na tayo kay Paul George. Pero let's see if, di ba, we could salvage some value out of Paul George.
Well, I think that's what they're doing now.
Yeah, di ba? I'm not sure they're actively marketing him. I don't see any reports, right?
Wala.
Alam mo, Pat, by the way, go NBA Reddit the best to get like where the mindset of fans are. Tambay ka lang sa NBA Reddit.
true. That's true.
Promise. Sasabi ko sa'yo, like, it's you and the fans, tambay ka NBA Reddit.
Even si ano pala, even Embiid, until 2029 siya. Ang mahal pala nila pareho.
Of course. Embiid gets ko for all he has done to Philly. The Paul George signing was a weird one naman talaga eh. 'Di ba?
Dapat nagpamura na lang siya, no?
He had leverage eh. And ano kasi, if a team wants you, 'di ba? You have the ball isn't parang as long as there's a desperate team, Pat, someone's bound to get overpaid,
Well, true.
'di ba? And the pressure to help out Embiid, to show their superstar, laban tayo. And to show the fans. Kaya siguro nangyari yung Paul George deal na yun.
Well, you know what? It's too early. Kaya siguro tayo ganito about Embiid. Kasi nga, yung first 3 games niya, di ba? Tapos playing hurt pa siya. But let's see. Tingnan natin. Pero yung Paul George, gets ko yung frustration kay Paul George. Parang hindi na nawalan ng sakit eh. So,
Oo.
yeah, tingnan na. Wala pa nga, there's no info pa nga kailan siya babalik eh.
Tama, wala pa. Gusto ko yung there's no info pa, kaya siya babalik.
Hindi ko nga.
Wala pa.
Pero, tingnan natin. Tulad kanina, did you watch their game?
Which one? What are we
Tambak
talking
sila.
about?
Tambak sila
Yeah,
sa
they were down
Washington.
18. They
The
were down
entire game.
18.
Biglang hinabol nila ng para
They're my league
mag-overtime.
pass team. I watch the Sixers for fun. I watch them for fun.
Yeah. Maxi bro. Not because player ko siya, pero even last year, believe talaga, pag naglalaro si Maxi, hindi pa tapos yung laban. Laging ganun. Ang daming
Yeah, I have
beses
his
yung ginawa.
cards. I have his cards. I have a lot of Maxi
Si
on card
Maxi.
autos na
Nalulungkot
rookies.
ako though for Embiid na parang, oh man, ito na ba yon? Ito na ba yung
Ito
downfall
na
niya?
yun. Wala na to, Pat. I think this is the best we'll see from
Ito na ba yung,
Embiid.
tapos na ba yung the process? Ito
But
na.
they have a formidable lineup. The process naman is the championship eh. The road to the championship. That's what the process is naman eh. 'Di ba? From deliberately tanking,
Ah,
'di ba? To now you have the pieces. It's all making it work.
di ba nga,
You can
nagsama pa sila ni Harden, lahat.
mm,
Parang, di ba sinasabi ng fans, ano pa ba yung process na gusto mo?
mm,
Nandiyan na sa'yo lahat. Tapos wala pa rin. Although, um, injury bug din, di ba? Medyo malas din sila sa health. But still, for me,
mm.
yun na, nakakalungkot lang. I think if he doesn't bounce back this year, talagang bababa yung value niya. And even his confidence, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, for sure. And naka-minutes restriction din. But that's pretty much it. No, we discuss everything that we needed to discuss. Guys, let us know what you think about dun sa mga discussion. Sali kayo. And let me know
Hey guys,
what
I'm
you
here to stay, guys.
Oh, this guy is here to stay. We see you all next time. Nico here with Pat. Follow 5-star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all. 6 Month
Bye.
Podcast.